Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 259. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this top row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1, 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 1, 5 here, so 8, 5. For this row now, we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 1, 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got the 1 here, so 7, 9. 9 here, so 1, 7, 1, 7. That means that our 9 for that column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 9, 3. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. That 1 makes this our 7, 1. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this column now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.